Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkoya, aka Ndi Naija. Ja. Y'all, it's the first week of February, last week of January. I'm filming this a little late, but I wanted to get this out to y'all and film this plan with me. We'll get into it really quickly. This is going to be a little bit of a busy week for me at work. I'm using the Planner Kit 642. I was going to use this this header, but this is obviously for another kit. Alrighty, y'all. January has been 342 days long, hasn't it? It's been a weird, it has been a weird Janvier. Did you guys learn French in school? I was taught French, and make sure I'm getting this right. Oh, wait a second. I don't want to use up all the... Oh, what's this? Straggler. That's what that is. So I was saying I was taught French in primary school, and I think I learned it in secondary school as well. And I remember the months of the year. Let's see if I remember it correctly. Janvier, February. I don't remember March. I don't remember April. If I recall correctly, May is M-A-I. Don't remember June or July. I don't even remember. Oh my goodness, my French teacher would be so upset. My French teacher was a Ghanaian man. Wait, was he from Ghana? Ooh, I have to ask my brother. I don't remember if he was from Ghana or I think he was from Ghana though. We had a lot of Ghanaian teachers growing up. And if you don't know, and if you're new to my channel, I am originally from Nigeria, y'all. Nigeria, we hit. So yeah, let's put you down over there. White this out. I'm whiting this out because I typically do not use this monthly view up here, and I prefer to have a little bit of decor. Do we have any? I usually don't buy sidebars, but I don't want to use that one. I want it to kind of fit. I think this pattern would slap as a cloth material. Now again, I'm Nigerian, so it colors a lot of my world experience or world view. And if you don't know, we use a lot of... Looks like I'm going to lose this part here. I might as well white it out. Where did the white out go? See how I jumped from my French teacher to talking about patterns and clothes? This looks like an Ankara material. Ankara is spelled A-N-K-A-R-A. And it's a nice breathable material used to make clothing. I love it. So this pattern kind of looks like that. And I think it would be fun to have this as an outfit. Use it to make an outfit. Okay, what's next? What's next is these. We're going to put down Oh crap. I knew Sunday is the 2nd. So, oh man, a lot has happened. A lot has happened. A lot has happened. So because I'm filming this a little late, um, like I've already done what I was supposed to do on Monday, and now here we are. I'm still getting back into the swing of things with YouTube. I've gone off the rails, but I'm trying to be more consistent this year and at least give you a video or come online once a week. Allergies have been kicking my behind. Allergies have been kicking my behind, and so yeah, it's been difficult. It has been quite a ways. And I think I was telling you guys last week, was it last week? That I found out in my 5-year journal that basically around this time, or January in general, it's been pretty bad with allergies, and I have often had to stay home from work because of allergies. I need to see an allergist. Things I never imagined that I would have to do when I was moving to the United States many, many years ago. Yeah, I didn't imagine that I would have to see an allergist, because guess what? In Nigeria, the allergies you experience are not a whole lot of environmental allergies, though there are. Like, folks are allergic to grass, certain types of grass. Folks are allergic to dust, but there is no like cedar allergy, you know, like the thing that really smacked my butt. Cedar, and what else do y'all have here as allergens? I don't know, but it's just way too much, honestly. It is way, 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 way too much. Let's put meetings down before I get to habits. And I should spread this out a little bit. So I have a meeting, man. I have tons of meetings, y'all. Tons of meetings. Okay, so I have the one that I don't have to be at, but I will be at 8:30. It's supposed to go until 10, but I have another meeting at 9:30, so I'm just going to put this here. My meeting is a little longer, so we're going to have that here. I'm saying is like this meeting hasn't already happened. And then so I was supposed to have this meeting here, but I found out that I was going to Austin, so that did not happen. I drove instead, and honestly, if I had a full box, this would be a good place to put it, because I do have one full box. It's just going to make the whole thing look a little. So I was out until, I was really out until like 6:30. It was a round trip, and let's use a little gray one. Okay. I wanted to write it down, but let's put all the stickers down before I start writing. This is the pre-planning situation. I think most people do this where you just brain dump and put stuff down and then you put it into your planner. That helps me kind of stay on track with my plan with me's. Generally it just helps to get it all out. Once I get it out, then I can remember more items that I need to add. So I'm not sure I'll be able to write all of this with you guys, but you can see. This is the point of a plan with me, right? You see, and we walk through the plans and how we're going to achieve things. Can you not slip? When we walk through the plans of how we're going to achieve things. What is today? There's something I'm missing. There was something I'm missing. Okay, so we have laundry day. Laundry day for me is Saturday. And I need to put my laundry day like later, because if I place laundry day, if I start my laundry early in the morning, you all will definitely not see me. Like, definitely. So I'm going to put it over here. And we have clothing, right? So laundry day. Yes, laundry in the afternoon. Laundry in the afternoon on Saturday. Bada bing, bada boom. I need another, okay, to show that the baby boy will not be here this weekend. And we'll make good use of the washi. And then I put a little sticker right there. An arrow would have been better, maybe. I don't have an arrow. Alright, it's go time, y'all. I need to head out. I need to head out directly to my bed. Okay. I think I can just go ahead and write that down now. Josh at Dad's. Maybe I should say his dad's weekend. And then we've got church. Now on the weekends, I typically do groceries as well. And it often goes from Saturday to Sunday. I've been trying to get better with ordering my groceries, but it doesn't always work. We have that. We've got, which one should we use? Yeah, let's add a, I'll look for an OhSoPaper sticker to add to this. Oh man, I miss OhSoPaper stickers. Let's bring out an OG, not these. Ooh, wait a second, wait a minute. I'm so cold. I'm wishing for sun. Ooh, this is good. I think this is a good, doll to put over here. Boom. See that? But I was looking for a grocery sticker, so let's find the functional bunch. Ugh. I miss you. Miss you OhSoPaper stickers. It's part of the reason I don't want to use it as much. Ooh, hair. I need to wash my hair. I need to do my plants. Groceries. So, do we have something that's a little on the neutral side? This isn't quite neutral, so I don't think I can use these. I'll look for the words sticker. A sticker with words. Oh, I don't need words. I just need the icons. So let's see if we can find an icon for like, see, this is vintage OhSoPaper, y'all. Vintage. Oh well, I got one in and it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. So I'll just write all this stuff down, and then figure this out. Okay? Alrighty, folks, this is what my week is looking like. And I just realized I forgot trash day, which is fun. Fun trash day. And then we will be done for the day. I don't remember if we've got recycling or not on Thursday, but I will check and my neighbors will let me know. It's fun. Sometimes you have to take a page from your neighbors for stuff that you need to do. Can't wait till it's warm enough so that I can start doing some outside gardening. Minimal gardening. Oh, but then I have to do the to-dos that are over here. I'll just put a this week. This week, put that down. And then bada bing, bada boom. I've got laundry, other things I need to add. I need to wash the car. I washed the car for Saturday, Sunday. This time I think it's going to be Sunday. Wash car, and I need to make egg bites. And then I got laundry, wash car, groceries, church. I need an icon for this. Anyway, I need to go. I'm done. Good night, y'all. Bye-bye.